Yeah, so I think that's the biggest challenge if you have to name one. Thank you. I hope that answers your question.
Can we switch?
Okay, I can have short quick. During the pandemics, we have been trying to end the pandemics. The most important thing is the pandemic panic. We have been persuaded by several pharmaceutical companies to try these medicines to kill the virus, and it have been overdosed. As the doctor, the keynote speaker this morning said, when you have just a prototype, don't rush in the business. When they use the prototype, they rush in the business. They have been selling, try to sell even the prototype, and that's why I strongly agree with you that we have to be aligned with the value, the healthcare value. Do you think that your company can be more selective, when you put the product on your marketplace, that it's not a prototype, it's trustworthy pharmaceutical partnership company, or what are your criteria, measures to protect us as a patient, as a consumer of products? Okay. Because there are always rumors and panics over the social media during the pandemic. Even right now, we are still with the COVID. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. I can share, I would say, I don't have definitive answer, but I can share from experience. During the pandemic, many companies came to us as well, because everyone has a product that they think would work, right? That's the thing that we have a team of pharmacists. Their sole responsibility is to evaluate all these products criteria. They have to evaluate from the research standpoint, implication standpoint, because one thing that we always keep as our value is, in the end, it has to be good for the patients. So I think during the pandemic, basically most of these products, we ask for research paper, we wait. But the thing that we want to focus on is more like, how can we help with the panic? How can we make sure that the pharmacists that are using our systems, that are our network, can communicate clearly with the patients to help with the panic, right?
Yeah.
We're not in the business of developing medicine, so that part we leave it for the companies. But what we do is try to dissolve the panic. And I think the pharmacists were doing really good job, because they are in the community, right? Everyone in the household would go to the nearest pharmacist to ask for information. This is something that we help them. For the products, that's number one rule for our company, is that if our pharmacist team say no, it means no. No matter how much money they want to give us, but the patient safety must come first. This is directive from myself as founder as well. We believe that, and we communicate to our investors, and they agree with that. We communicate to them that if something goes wrong, the direct accountability and any other implications, we don't want to deal with that, and it's not worth to do it. No money is worth for any risking patient's life. So we don't deal with that, we leave it to the research. But in terms of what we should do at the time is communicate the knowledge and the right information to the patient. So I think that should come from directly from the company.